So question 8, we've just finished an arithmetic sequence and it looks like we're into a geometric sequence on this one. Farmer's got a large farm, stocking it with fish, but at a 9% growth a month. At the beginning of 2020, we've got 660 fish. Write a recursive rule to give the number of adult fish in the lake at the end of each month. So the multiplier here is it's increasing by 9%. Add it to 100, we've got 109, divide by 100, and we've got 1.09. So there's our multiplier, and then the recursive rule would simply be that the next one is the one before, Tn times 1.09 to give us that 9% increase. We've got to remember for the second mark to remind the examiner where to start, and that'll be term 0 is 660. Because we're starting at the beginning of 2020 and we want the number of fish at the end of each month. So term 1 would be after we've had 9% growth for a month. So first 2 marks, then deduce a rule for the nth term of the sequence. Here it is. Don't forget on the formula sheet, where are we? Geometric sequence. Here we go. Tn is AR to the n minus 1. So here's a copy of the formula. The only thing we've got to remember is when our sequence starts from term 0, we don't need the minus 1 in the formula. So this is a very quick 2 marks. The nth term is 660, the first term. The multiplier, the ratio is 1.09 to the power of n. So, so far so good. Then the next part of the question. The farmer plans to allow the general public to pay to fish in the lake. Starting at the month when the population first exceeds 4,000. Determine how long this will take. So we need a calculator. Let's grab my calculator. Probably go into sequence because we've got the sequence here. So here we go. The type is the basic default one. So we just want to take the previous term, multiply by 1.09. and start off with 660 fish, and then let's grab a table. So here we go. If I hit resize, we're looking for when my table gets to 4,000, and here it is, somewhere around here. So we haven't quite got there after 20 months, but after 21 months, we've got 4,032 fish. So that's what I've written down for my answer here, that at the end of month 21, there will be 4,032 fish. So after 21 months, let's just check that. How many months after the beginning will fishing commence? Yep, 21 months later. So part D, the farmer wishes to maintain a steady state once fishing commences. How many adult fish can be taken? Well, each month we are increasing the number of fish by 9%. So basically that's the number we've got to take out each month. So we take the 4,032, multiply it by 0.09. You probably don't need me to show you this on a calculator, but let's just check it out. 4032 will do the 9% increase. So that means we're getting an extra 362.88, call it 363 fish each month. So that's how many fish we can take out each month to maintain our steady state.